everyone, welcome to VMR Logics. Sorry for that. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి విఎంఆర్ లాజిక్స్ లో ఆఫ్లైన్ న్యూ బ్యాచ్ అనేది ఈ రోజు నుండి స్టార్ట్ అయిందన్నమాట. సో ఈ న్యూ బ్యాచ్ డీటెయిల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి అని అనుకుంటే మీకు ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తున్న నెంబర్స్ కి కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. 7032813578 or else 7032913578. అయితే విఎంఆర్ లాజిక్స్ ఆఫ్లైన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేసి చాలా మంది అడుగుతున్నారు. సో మనకి ఇది వచ్చేసి హైదరాబాద్ లో దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్ లో ఉందన్నమాట. సో ఆఫ్లైన్ బ్యాచ్ ఈ రోజు నుండి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. మీకు ఇంకా ఫర్దర్ డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ మీద ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి మనకి ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫర్స్. సో రీసెంట్ గా ఏవైతే ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫర్స్ అనేవి మనకి చెప్పారో, సో ఈ ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫర్స్ వచ్చేసి 22 జనవరి వరకు ఈ ఆఫర్స్ అనేవి ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేయడం జరిగిందనమాట. సో ఈ ఆఫర్ డీటెయిల్స్ గురించి మీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తున్న నెంబర్స్ కి మీరు కాల్ చేయొచ్చు. 88818836 ఒక నెంబర్, లేదు అంటే 8886396663 కి కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు అనమాట.
One is counting numbers over, whereas rule is large minus small plus 1. Second, successive division rule, cross straight. Cross means multiplication, straight means addition. What is the meaning of successive division? The quotient of the first division becomes the number for the next division. Third one, find unit digit. 2, 3, 7, 8 cycle length 4, 5, 6 cycle length 1, 4, 9 cycle length 2. In case if you are getting remainder 0, cancel it and take cycle length. In case if power factorial is there, last 2 digits are 2 zeros. Okay, this is about find unit digit. Now we are going to find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial question. Now the point of you find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Alright, look, you know the point of you find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Shown. For example, question observe. Find the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. At the same time, find the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 5 in 5 factorial. Find the highest power of 7 in 5 factorial. Right? Now, so find the highest power of 2, 3, 5, 7 in 5 factorial question. Right? Now look. So how to solve? Simple enough, you observe. Look. Generally how to solve if you observe. 5 factorial meaning all of you. Look. 5 factorial meaning 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Which is 120. 5 factorial meaning 120. Now, in that highest power of 2 all of you, highest power of 2 I want, highest power of 3, highest power of 5, highest power of 7. Right, look, for that highest power of 2 all of you, 120. 5 factorial is nothing but 120. Then guys, so 120 you just write down, 120 you write down like 2 table 60, 2 table 30, 2 table 15, 3 table 5, 5 table 1. So 120 you are writing as 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. Right? So 120 I am writing as 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. So now the question all of you observe. What is the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial? 5 factorial means 120. In that highest power of 2 is what? 3. Right? Next, 5 factorial means 120 all of you. Highest power of 3 in 5 factorial, that is 1. Tarata. In 5 factorial, what is the highest power of 5? That is 1. Highest power of 7, there is no 7 here. In 5 factorial, there is no 7 here. So, 0. Clear? Yes or no? Mari, if you learn question, good is the cheyagaltava manu? Come on, speak. If I ask the question now, look. Find the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. Come on, do it. Innaka, if you observe previous question, 5 factorial I said. So you are writing 5 factorial is nothing but you are writing simply 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 120 you are writing. Nice, 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 nice. Yes or no? 5 factor means you are writing 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's it, 120. Very nice, very nice. Alright. Now, guys, observe. Now is the time if you observe a few. ఇప్పుడు 700 ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటే ఓ పంచి యూ రైట్ డౌన్ 700 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ 700 into 699 698 697 1 word right. Then you find out in that I write down that number. See here I am writing 120, then I am expressing the 120 as a product of prime factors. In that highest power of 2 I am checking, highest power of 3 I am checking, highest power of 5 I am checking. So you do one thing, 700 factorial you write down the same way, 700 into 699 into 698 into and so on and so on. And that in that all of you I want to know 7 highest factor. Not that much easy, yes or no? So how to solve this question? Look, so just for explanation point of view I have given the answer like this, but examination point of view how to solve. Now is the time for examination point of view. Let's see how to solve in examination point of view, right? Look, the question of you, what is the highest power of 2 in 5 factorial question? Highest power of 2 in 5 factorial. Very simple, all of you, very simple. Observe, 5 factorial, highest power of 2 you want, right? Just do it by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 you do it. 2 table. Now 2 table, guys, forget about factorial, forget about factorial. 5 divided by 2, tell me the quotient, tell me the quotient. 2 2s of 4, 2 2s of 4, right? 2 2s of 4, quotient is 2, quotient is 2. Again by 2 by 2 by 2, one time again by 2 by 2 by 2, 0, stop, 3 answer. All right, next find the highest power of in the previous also you get the same answer, 3. Check out, find the highest power of 3 in 5 factorial, right? See, come on, 3 table in 5, one time, mala again by 3 0. Once you get 0, stop the process. 3 1 only. So what is the highest power of 5 in 5 factorial? So 5 table 5 fact 5 low, one time, 0. By 5 again 0, one time. No problem. Let's see one more example so that you'll understand. Look, now same answer, check out, 311, like 311, right? Yes or no? Now actually the question, find the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial question. Highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. Simple. How to solve? Look, 700 factorial by 7 by 7 by 7. 7 table 700, how many times? Forget about factorial, forget about factorial. 7 table 700, how many times? 100 times. Again by 7 by 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 30, 7 fours are 28. Quotient only you tell me, just tell me the quotient. When 100 is divided by 7, when 100 is divided by 7, 14 times 98, remainder 2. I don't want remainder, I don't want anything, I just need quotient, that is 14. I just need quotient 14. Again 7 table 14, come on, 7 2s are 14, 2 times. Again by 7 by 7 0. You do the process until you get 0, that's all. Once you get 0, stop the process. Now add them, 100 14 2 add 116. So what is the highest power of 7 in 700 factorial? 116 is the answer. Clear? Let's see one more example. What is the highest power of 2 in 120 factorial question? What is the highest power of 2 in 120 factorial? Look, you know. So first all of you, highest power of 2 in 120 factorial. Clear? So you need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial. Directly the question is, you need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial. You need to search how many 2's are there in 120 factorial, right? So for that, 120 factorial by 2, just highest power of 2. That means how many 2's are there. You want to count how many 2's are there, just do it by 2 by 2 by 2. Come on, how many times? 60 times. 2 table 60 times. Again by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2, 30 times. Again by 2 by 2 by 2 15 times. Again, by it 7 times. Again, by it 3 times. By it 1 time. Again, by it 0. Stop. 0 means stop the process. 0 stop the process. Now count how many are there. Come on. 60, 90, 100, 110, 115, 116. 116. How many are there? 116 is the, this is the, until indirectly in this question if you observe, in 120 factorial, there are 116 2's are there. That's meaning 116. Option A answer. Highest power of 2 or how many 2's are there means 116 2's are there. That's the highest power of 2, right? Question number I'll ask you 52. Question number 52. Find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. Look, find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial, right? Look. So, highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. Very simple. This, until you just count how many 5's are there. My question to you, just count how many 5's are there in 500 factorial. Are you getting? See, look. Come on. Observe here. You just count how many 2's are there in 5 factorial. Count how many 2's are there. So 5 factorial means you are writing 2 cube 3 power 1 5 power 1. How many 2's are there? There are 3 2's are there. So that's the highest power of 2, that is 3. Alright? Same way. Now is the time. You just count, find the highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. That means you are supposed to count how many 5's are there. You are supposed to count how many 5's are there in 500 factorial, right? So count. In how many 5's are there in 500 factorial? Count, start. How you solve? So 500 factorial by 5, 100. Again, by 5, 20. Just divide by 5 all of you. By 5, whatever is given to you, just divide it. By 5, by 4, by 5, 0. Once you got 0, stop the process. Look, you know, observe you. 100 by 5, 20. 20 by 5, 4. By 5, 0. 0 means stop the process. Now add the numbers. Now add the numbers. Forget this. You don't see all these things. Just add the numbers. 100, 20, 4, 0. 124. So point all of you. How many zeros are there? How many 5's are there in 500 factorial? 124 are there. Option B is your answer. Option B. Clear? Yes or no? Question number I'll ask you 53. Question number 53. Observe. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Come on. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. How you find? Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Start. Come on. Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Immediately some other students. observe. Kontamandi students ఎలా చేస్తారు? I'll explain first. Kontamandi students, which is wrong actually, but I'll show you. Sir, by 10, sir. Wrong answer. Why wrong answer? Come on, tell me why wrong answer. Look, you know, so this is the wrong answer. Why? Look, you know, what's the heading? If you observe, what's the heading? If you look heading, if you observe heading, find the highest power of a prime number. What's this? Look, come on, what's this? Find the highest power of a prime number. You are finding highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Yes or no? So you are finding what? Highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Now look, guys. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 7 in 700 factorial. So 7 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 2 in 120 factorial. 2 is a prime number. I'm asking highest power of 5 in 500 factorial. 5 is a prime number. This is the time I'm asking highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Guys. 10 is not a prime number. Guys, 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. Alright? 10 is not a prime number. Look, you know, 10 is a prime number. Kaadu. 10 is not a prime number. Yes or no? Yes, 10 is not a prime number. So, if it is not a prime number, all of you, guys, Our heading is what? Find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Meaning is what? You are searching for, suppose highest power of 5 in 5 hand factorial. You are searching how many 5s are there in 5 hand factorial. You are just searching how many 5s are there in 5 hand factorial. In the same way, you just, if you observe here 10 I asked, but 10 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. So if it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. Here 10 is not a prime number, right? Then you convert them into prime numbers. Observe, guys, here 10 is not a prime number, right? Here if 10 is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers, right? Look, 10. So I am writing 10 as a product of two prime numbers, 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Yes or no? So now it's fine. Now your responsibility, find out the highest power of 2, find out the highest power of 5, and then take minimum power, and then take minimum, that is the highest power of 10. Whichever is minimum, that is the highest power of 10, right? See, even at the time beginning, if you observe, 5 factorial 120, look, 5 factorial of 120. What is the highest power of 10 in this? So I can say very clearly 12 into 10. Highest power of 10 is 1. Yes or no? So how you find this one? So 10 is not a prime number. Write down 2 into 5. Find out highest power of 2 and highest power of 5. So 5 factorial means 120. I am writing as 2 cube, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. So highest power of 2 I got as 3. Highest power of 5 I got as 1. Highest power of 2 I got 3. Highest power of 5 I got 1. And I want to take minimum. Among these two, minimum is what? 1. So that's the highest power of 10. Yeah, look at now. 1. So always you take minimum, all of you. Now onwards, whenever they ask the question, whenever they ask the question, what is the highest power of 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? Highest power of 2 చేయాలి, highest power of 5 చేయాలి, minimum తీసుకోవాలి. That's all, right? So based on this, all of you, I just my question to you, find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. Okay, look, highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial of you. దానికోసం you find out highest power of 2, highest power of 5, because 10 is not a prime number. So first you find out highest power of 2, all of you. So 1000 factorial, highest power of 2, how you find? The means you need to search how many 2's are there in that 1000 factorial. So for that what you do? By 2, by 2, by 2. Come on, 500 times. Again, by 2, by 2, by 2, 250 times. Again, by 2, by 2, again, by 2, by, again, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. Up to 0, up to 0 you need to write, up to 0, right? Count how many are they, count. You know, 50, 70, 100, 160, 170, 180, 181, 182, 184, 189, 289, 489, 989. Now, I want to know how many, what is the highest power of 5 in 1000 factorial? What is the highest power of 5 in 1000 factorial? Come on, start it up you. By 5, by 5, by 5. That is 200. Again, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5. That's all. Stop. 249, all of you, 249. So the highest power of 5 is 249, all of you, 249, right? So this I got 989, this I got 249. So minimum you take 249, that's your answer. Minimum you take 249. Clear? Yes or no? I'll ask you one more question. This time you are supposed to say properly answer. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను, ప్లీజ్ సే ఇట్ ప్రాపర్లీ ఆన్సర్. Observe of you. I'll ask here only, right? The question now, find the highest power of 10. Find the highest power of 10 in, find the highest power of 10 in 300 factorial. Question, start. Highest power of 2 in 300 factorial. So first you need to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. If you look, this 10 is not a prime number. No problem. If it is not a prime number, you convert them into prime numbers product, 2 into 5, right? So you need to find the highest power of 2 and highest power of 5, and you need to take minimum among them. So start all of you. Come on, highest power of 2, highest power of 5, and minimum. Guys. Minimum దేంట్లో వస్తుంది? Only 5 లోనే వస్తుంది. Yes or no? If you observe, 300 factorial by 5 table 60. Again, by 5 12. By 5 2 times. 5 table 2 times. 0 times. Stop. 74. 2 చేయాలా వస్తుందా? అవసరం లేదు. చేయమంటావా? అవసరం లేదు. నీకు కావాల్సిన మినిమం కావాలి. నీకు ఎస్ఆర్ పవర్ మినిమం కావాలి. యూ నీడ్ మినిమం పవర్. సో సార్ బై 2 సార్ 150 బై 2 7 బై 2 ఎందుకు అన్ని ఆడ మొత్తం 74. ఇది ఒకటే 150 మళ్ళీ 75 మొత్తం యాడ్ చేస్తే చాలా అవుతుంది. అసలు రాయటం అవసరమా? దిస్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ టు రైట్. ఇంకా అవ్వలేదు రాయటం అవసరం లేదు. బికాజ్ ఐ వాంట్ ద మినిమం. నీకు మినిమం కావాలంటే డెఫినెట్లీ మినిమం ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? మ్యాక్సిమం వాల్యూ ఇక్కడే మినిమం వస్తుంది. సో వాడు ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఇంక ఈ 2 చేయక్కర్లా, ఓన్లీ 5 చేస్తే చాలు. నో నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ 2 ఈవెన్. కమ్ బ్యాక్. Look, this is your question. Look, I just want to find the highest power of 10 in 1000 factorial. 10 in 1000 factorial, right? Observe. If you observe clearly, I can write as 2 into 5. 2 into 5 I can write. So highest power of 2 and highest power of 5 I want to find. So minimum you need to take. So minimum across by default. So minimum 5 and also minimum definitely we are going to get in 5 only. Minimum 5 and also ఇది చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. 989 249 minimum 249 అసలు అవసరం లేదు. more value will give you less power, right? సో మోర్ వాల్యూ ఉంటే లెస్ వస్తుంది ఎలాగో. సో ఇది చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇంత కష్టపడి చేసి మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేసి అవంతా టైం వేస్ట్. సో ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 10 in 10 అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు? యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ ద మాక్సిమం వాల్యూ. 2 5 తీసుకుంటే 5 ఒకటి చేయి. డోంట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఫర్ 2, రైట్? క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ number 54. Question number 54. Look, highest power of 3 in 600 factorial. Find the highest power of 3 in 600 factorial. So start all of you. Come on. 600 factorial. By 3 200. By 3 6 times 18 malla 2 6 times 18. By 3 22. By 3 7 times. By 3 2 times. By 3 0. That's all over. Clear? Now look, observe. Adding 60, 80, 87, 89, 91, 97, 297. That's your answer, 297. Clear? Question of you. Find the highest power of 14 in 400 factorial. Find the highest power of 14 in 400 factorial. My dear students, first, when they ask highest power of 14 in 400 factorial, first you check whether this number is a prime number or not. First you check. Whether the given number is a prime number or not, first you check whether the given number is a prime number or not. 14 is not a prime number. Then you convert them into prime numbers. 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 7, 14, right? Convert them into prime number. 2 into 7, 14. Now, you need to find highest power of 2 and highest power of 7. Simple enough. You find out highest power of 2, find out highest power of 7. Find out highest power of 2, find out highest power of 7. And then you take minimum power. Because guys, it is not a prime number. It is prime number kaadu, so convert them into primes. And anyhow, you want minimum power. So where you get minimum power? In 2 powers or 7 powers? Definitely 7 power. So no need to calculate 12 of you, just to find out highest power of 7. You no need to calculate here 2 power of you. Just calculate highest power of 7 in 400 factorial. That means you are setting how many 7s are there in 400 factorial. That's all. So how to set how many 7s are there in 400 factorial? Very simple. 400 factorial by 7. 7 tables 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. By 7. 7 table 8 times 56. By 7 by 1 time 0 times close. 57 65 166. So highest power of 7 in 14 అంటే highest power of 14 in 400 factor అన్నప్పుడు 66 is the answer. Guys 2 చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. This is 66. ఇక్కడ ఎలాగో మినిమం ఇది మాక్సిమే వస్తుందండి. If you do 400 factorial by 2 itself 200. అంటే more than 200 you are getting answer. You want to take minimum 66 you can take directly. So no need to calculate this part, no need to calculate the by 2 part, right? Next all of you. This question all of you, important one. All of you, they may change. See, till now we have discussed the format like that. Highest power of 2 in 300 factorial like that. The same question they may ask like this also. The same question all of you, they may ask like this also. Look, how they may ask. Look, find the maximum value of n. Find the maximum value of n such that 157 factorial is perfectly divisible by 12 power n. The meaning of this, find the highest power of 12 in 157 factorial. Both are same meaning. But they changed the asking, the question format they changed. Observe. Find the maximum value of n. That means highest power of 12. n is nothing but highest power of 12. Highest power of 12 in 157 factorial, which is perfectly divisible by 12 power n. He is asking clearly highest power of 12 in 157 factorial. That means you need to find how many 12s are there in 157 factorial. That's the question, right? Look, simple. So guys, observe. First point, you need to search whether it's a prime number or not. First, you need to search all of you whether is it a prime number or not. In case if it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. So check first. నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ చెక్ చేయాలి ఆ ఇచ్చే నంబర్ ప్రైమ్ అవునా కాదా అని చెక్ 12 is not a prime number, so you are converting into prime numbers product. 3 into 4, highest power of 3, find out wait. Is a 4 a prime number? Is a 4 a prime number? No, guys. I told you first you need to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. If not, it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers product. Yeah, I agree 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. I agree 3 is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So what to do? Come on. You need to convert again. You need to convert it again. Come on, convert. Come on, convert all of you. 4. Again, I'm converting 4 as 2 into 2. So I can say 2 square. So now it's a prime numbers, right? So I find out the highest power of 3 and find out the highest power of 2 square. Look. Highest power of 3 and highest power of 2 square. Now we can't say that, sir. I'll find out only for 3, sir. Because no, we can't say. Because that is 2 square. It's not only 2. Yeah, previous question I can say directly a point. Look, previous question I can mention 14 is there. 14. It's not a prime number. I am writing 2 into 7. So I can say only I'll find out for 7 I can't. I won't find for 2. Yeah, it's okay. But now is the case, Alafi. Now is the case 12. Now is the case, Alafi, 12. This I am writing as 3 into 2 square. 2 square. This is not one value. The power square is there. So if it is the case, how you solve? Come on, guys. How you solve? Cheppandi. How you solve? Highest power of 3 and highest power of 2 square. How you solve? Come on, you know how to solve. Simple. First, all of you 157 factorial. You find out highest power of 3. That already you know. By 3. Just by 3. 5 times 15. 2 times. Again, by 3. 1 time 3. 2. 3 7s are 21. By 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 0. Stop. Now add them. Come on, add them. 50, 60, 67, 68, 70, 75. 75 is this one. Now similarly you find out for 2 also, all of you. Similarly you find out for 2. 157 factorial by 2. Converse are 2 you are getting more value. No. Find out. First you find out. 2 table, all of you. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. 2 table 39, 2 table 19 2s are 38, 9 times by 2. Stop the process. Now add the numbers, all of you. Add the numbers. 70, 100, 110, 120, 120, 131, 131, 131, 131, 140, 140, 148, 152. By, again, here power 2 is there, guys. Here power 2 is there. Very important. Notice here power 2. So by 2 it's 7 2s are 14, 6 times, 76. Now look all of you. 3 ki highest power I got 75, and for 4 it is the 2 square. For 2 square I got 76. For 3 I got 75, and for 2 square I got 76. Among these two, 75, 76, minimum is 75. So the answer is 75. That's all. Clear? The most important one. Guys, here power 2 is there. So just do it by 2 here, by 2 here. When power 2 is there, by 2 it. By 2, right? Let's see one more example. Don't worry. Let's see one more example. Question number 57, all of you. Question number 57. Again, let's see once again. Look at now. I just want to know, find the maximum value of n. Find the maximum value of n such that 157 factorial is perfectly reduced by 18 power n. The meaning of this question, what is the highest power of 18 in 157 factorial? I repeat, what is the highest power of 18 in 157 factorial? This is your question, right? The first point, all of you. First, you check whether the given number. First of all, you check whether the given number is a prime number or not. First, you check it's not a prime number. 18 is not a prime number. If it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. Thus, I am writing as 2 into 9. But 9 again, it's not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. So again, I am converting all of you as 3 square. As 3 square. 3 into 3. Yeah, 3 is a prime number. Now what to do? Simple. Now you find out highest power of 2 and highest power of 3 square. Guys, it's a 3 square is there. So 3 square. So whatever the answer you're getting, you are getting by 2 it. And take minimum. If you observe minimum, where are you getting? Come on, think. Minimum, where are you getting? I can say blindly. Here you see, 2 you are going to get maximum value. So find out for 3, and again by 2 is there. Again, whatever the answer you are getting, in that you take only half part because power 2 is there. Power 2 is there. So are you getting point, all of you? So look, so I just find out 3, all of you. I just find out for 3. So 157 factorial by 3. 5 times 15, 2 times 6. Again by 3, 1 time 3, 7 times 21. Again by 3, 5 3s are 15, by 3, 0. Stop the process. 50, 60, 60, 60, 50, 60, 67, 69, 70, 75. 75, and again by 2 is there. Again here power 2, it's not only 3 all of it, is 3 square actually. It's 3 square. So by 2 you do it. 3 square by 2. Here guys observe. Here because of this 2, do by 2 here. 3 2s are 7. 37 answer. 37. So 37 is the minimum. Obviously for 2 you get more value. For 2 you are getting obviously more value only. For 3 you are getting less value, and 3 square is there. So I have to do by 2 here. Yeah, look here now. Previous question, this question, if you observe differences. Previous question, this question, if you observe differences. 12 and 18. 12 I am writing as 3 into 2 square. 18 I am writing as 2 into 3 square. Guys, observe. Here this is a more value, this is a less value. But I have to do by 2 for the answer. So where are you getting minimum? We don't have proper idea. So find out the highest power of 3, find out the highest power of 2, then decide the answer. But here I can say directly, see for 2 and 3 square, here for 2, 3, if you observe, this is the maximum value, you are getting minimum value. And again, whatever the answer you get, you just do by 2 because here power 2 is there. So by 2 you are supposed to do. So there only you are getting minimum. So find out only for 3. No need to find for 2. Likewise, you need to decide. Next, I will give a question, all of you. Now you need to decide, all of you. Observe. I will give a question now. Look. This is easy question. Find the maximum value of n such that 157 factorial is perfectly divisible by 10. The meaning of this, what is the highest power of 10? What is the highest power of 10 in 157 factorial? Highest power of 10. First, you check whether the given number is a prime number or not. No, it's not a prime number. So convert them into prime numbers. 2 into 5. So find out the highest power of 2, find out the highest power of 5, and then take minimum power. Where are you getting minimum power, all of you? Where are you getting minimum power? 2 or 5? Where are you getting minimum power? Either 2 or 5. Definitely 5. More value you get minimum power. So this you find out. No need to find for 2. No need to find for 2. So just find out highest power of 5. That's all. Now let's start. Highest power of 5. 157 factorial by 5, by 5, by 5. 3 times, 1 time. Again, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5. 0 times, stop. Once you get 0, stop the process, all of you. Once you get 0, stop the process. Add them, add them, add them. 37, 138. That is your answer. 38 answer, right? Let's see one more example, all of you. Let's see one more example. This is an important one. This is an important one. Come on, guys, solve. Then you will get to know. Come on, solve. What is the highest power of 2520? Highest power, n value, I want highest value. Highest power of 2520 in 50 factorial. Oh, guys, I want highest power of 2520 in 50 factorial. Look, so first of all, 2520, first you check whether it is a prime number or not. No, it's not a prime number. 2520 is not a prime number. 2520 is not a prime number. If it is not a prime number, then it's your responsibility to convert them into prime numbers. Convert. 2 table 1260, 2 table 630, and 7 table 90, and 5 table 18, 2 table 9, 3 table 3, 3 table 1. So this, if you observe, this I am writing 2520, I am writing as 2 cube, 3 square, 5 power 1, 7 power 1. Look, 2 cube, 3 square, 5 power 1, 7 power 1. Now is the time for you, my dear friends, in the 50 factorial. In this 50 factorial, find out the highest power of 2 cube, highest power of 3 square, highest power of 5, highest power of 7, and then take minimum power. So clearly I can conclude a point. Among 5 and 7, where you get minimum? Among 5 and 7, you get minimum in 7 only. So minimum in 7. So 5 no need to find. Among these 3 I can't decide, because here I have to do by 3. Whatever the power I am getting for highest power of 2 you are getting, for that I have to do by 3. Here I have to do by 2. And there is a maximum value 7 is there. So I can't decide here. You are supposed to find for all 3. 2 cube, 3 square and 7. Find out. So first all of you, I'll find out the highest power of 2 all of you. Ante 50 factorial by 2, by 2, by 2, 25 times, by 2, 12 times, by 2, by 6 times, by 2, by 3 times, by 2, 1 time, 0, stop adding, 20, 30, 36, 39, 40, 40, 20, 30, 36, 39, 40, 42, 47, and 47, here power 3 is there, power 3 is there, because power 3, by 3 you do it. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, that's all. So here I got highest power, I got here as 15, right? Next all of you, for 3 you find out. 50 factorial, you find out for 3. Find out for 3, highest power of 3 you find out. 16 times 48, 5 times 5, by 3, 5 times 15, by 3, 1, by 3 is 0, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 1, 22. But not over guys, not over. 3 ki power 2 is this, so by 2 you do it, by 2. 11 all of you. This is you got 11 here. Now 5 not required, 7 you find out, 7 you find out. 50 factorial by 7 you can do it. 50 factorial by 7, 7 sons of 49, 49. By 7, 1, 0, stop, 8 all of you, 8 all of you. Now you take the minimum. 15, 11, 8. What is the minimum? 15, 11, 8. Among the powers you take the minimum. Minimum is 8. So the answer is this one. Question number all of you 60 all of you. Question number 60. Find the maximum value of n such that 50 factorial is perfectly divisible by 12,600 power n. Look, you know. So guys, observe. Simple all of you, simple. So highest power of 12,600 in 50 factorial. So first you find out whether it is a prime number or not. First you check. It is not a prime number. No problem guys, if it is not a prime number, your job, you convert them into prime number. Prime numbers ka convert chadam. Convert 12,600. Come on, convert into prime numbers all of you. 5 table, let's take 2 table or else 2 table. 2 6 are 3s are 0 0. Okay, 5 12s are 60, 30 undi, 6 times 0. 2 table 6 times 3 is 0. 2 table 3 15. 5 table 5 6 are 5 3s are. 3 table 21. 3 table 7. 7 table 1. Right? So this, if you observe, 12,600 I am expressing as 2 into 5 into 3. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3. How many 5s are there? 1, 2. How many 3s are there? 2. How many 7s are there? 1. Guys, observe. Guys, observe. See, you need to find out the highest powers of all the elements. Your task is to find out the highest power of 2, highest power of 5, highest power of 3, highest power of this. If you observe, in here, 2 cube, 3 square, 5 square. So directly I can eliminate 3 square of you, because 3 square, 5 square, if you observe, minimum I am getting here only. Yes or no? Minimum I am getting 5 square only, I am getting minimum. But here by 3, here by 2. So I have to find. Here by 1 only, that is 7 only. So let's calculate all of you. Let's calculate 50 factorial. First start with the 50 factorial. 50 factorial first by 2 you do it. By 2. First I am finding highest power of 2. Okay, come on. 25 times by 2, 12 times by 2, 6 times by 2, 3 times by 2, 1 times 0. Add the numbers. 20, 30, adding 20, 30, 36, 39, 40, 45, 47. But by power 3 is there, so by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 table, 3 5s are 15. Enough. 15 answer I got. Let's calculate for 5 all of you. Let's calculate for 5. 50 factorial by 5. 10 times 5 table, 2 times 0. 12 all of you. 12 I got. But power 2 is there. By 2 you do it. 6 all of you. Now power 7 is there. 50 factorial by 7. 7 7s are 49. By 7 1 time. By 7 0. 8 times. Now tell me. Here if you observe, this is a 15. This is a 15 I got. And this is 6. And this is 8. I want to take minimum. 15, 6, 8. What is the minimum? 6. This is your answer. So don't say direct, sir, you find out for 7, it's minimum. No. Situations. We can't decide. Here I can eliminate 5 square, 3 square. Here both are squares only. This is maximum value. So I can eliminate this one. That's all. More than that I can't do anything. Clear? Let's see one more example of your question number 61. This is your last example in this model. Concept is clear. You are finding highest power of a prime number in n factorial. Concept is clear. You are finding highest power of a prime number in n factorial. So first here I am finding highest power of 720 in 77 factorial. First you check whether is the given number is a prime number or not. No. It is not a prime number. It is not a prime number. So what you do? You are going to convert them into prime number, right? So convert 720. 5 table 1 time. 2 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 2 table 72. 2 table 36. 2 table 18. 2 table 9. 3 table 3. 3 table 1. So 720 you are writing as 720 you are writing as 2 so many are there? 1 2 3 4. 2 power 4. 3 so many are there? 2. 5 so many are there? 1. Right? Now, if you observe 2 power 4, 3 square and 5 power 1. 2 power 4, 3 square and 5 power 1. Right? Look, you know, this I want highest power all of you. Now, I need to calculate for the 2, 3, 5 or else only 5 or else only 3 or else only 2. The higher 2 ki power 4 is there. We can't decide now. You need to find out highest power of 2. At the same time, highest power of 3, highest power of 5, and what are the answer you got by 4, what are the answer you got by 2, what are the answer you got by 1, then take minimum. Right? So directly we can't decide. 77 by 2, highest power of 2 I am finding, highest power of 2 I am finding. By 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, by 2, 0. Right? Adding numbers, adding. Add all of you. 30, 40, 40, 49, 50, 54, 54, 54, 55, okay, 10, 65, 65, 73. Power 4 is there. Power 4. So by 4. 18 times. This I got 18. So here all of you I got 18. This I got 18. Now find out for 3, all of you. Find out for 3. 77 by 3, by 3, by 3. 2 times 6, 5 times 15. By 3, 8 3s are 24. By 3 2s are 0. So 25, 10, 35. And by 3 is there, by 3. So here, no, square is there, by 2. 35. Here power 2 is there, so by 2. 18 2s are 36, 17 2s are 34. 17 times only, 34. So here I got for this is 17. Now similarly find out for 5, all of you, 5. Now we find out for 5, all of you, 5. 77 by 5, by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 4s, 5 5s are 25. By 5, 3 times 0. 18 I got, 18 I got. That's directly 18 I am taking. For this directly I am taking 18. I want the minimum. 18, 17, 18. Minimum 17. That's your answer. Option C. That's your answer. Option C. Over. Clear? Under generally andi, if you observe, guys, only most of the people ఏం చెప్తారంటే ఇదోటి చెప్తారు. Highest power of 3, highest power of 5, highest power of 7. That's all అయిపోయింది. If it is a prime number, okay. If it is not a prime number, how to solve is so important. That's I shown you here. That's I shown you here. If it is not a prime number, if it is not a prime number, how to solve? If it is not a prime number, then if suppose if you are getting is a number like this, then you are dividing into this, and by 3, by 2, by 1, you can do for the answers. All right. In this type, you need to solve the questions. So with this, all of you, the concept, all of you, find the highest power of a prime number in n factorial is over. All right. Is it clear? I hope is it clear. Thank you guys. It's your VM.